Hi, I'm Kat, and this is our daily tarot. The first card that we have for today is the Seven of Pentacles. This card showed up yesterday. It gives us a sense of evaluating the work that we've already done and how far we've come and where we want to go with things. This is a card telling us and reminding us to have patience around material matters and things that take time to grow and time to nurture. The second card that we have for today is the Four of Swords. So this is the beginning of sometimes being stuck in our minds. It's the long question card. You can see that the person in this card is laying down. There's a sword underneath them, which would be their own line of thought, and then there's three swords above them, which is kind of like other people's influences and how we're affected by outside people and situations that affect our thoughts and the way that we think about things, the way that we're conditioned to think about things. It could also be us reevaluating communications and old conversations that we had, and it's giving us this idea of how we actually look at the world, and considering where we put our attention mentally takes the bulk of our day. The third card that we have for today is a major arcana. It's the Lover's card. This card is ruled by Mercury, and so it is bringing up the importance of communication and where we actually stand in communication and how that dictates how we interact and exchange. Being that it's ruled by Mercury, I feel like it's also bringing up Mercury going into retrograde today. Mercury will be in retrograde for the next couple of weeks until nearly the end of February 21st. And while Mercury is going through retrograde, it really gives us a time to reconsider things and do some research and slow down, and it will offer us new perspectives in how we see situations that we've gone through in life. During the time of Mercury retrograde, this planet will be passing and basically while it's in retrograde, passing Venus, passing the Sun, and passing Jupiter. And so it's getting this energetic influence of these three planets. So we're evaluating our relationships. We're getting an expansive energy around our own heart and where we want to set our place in the times to come. All of this energy is happening in Aquarius, which is more of a community centered focus and a wide horizon in where we want to go in life. And so it's giving us an idea of what plans we want to have set, and also speaking about, and listening to what we feel in our own hearts we feel called to, because Mercury is the messenger of the gods. And so right now we're taking information in, we're evaluating our plans for the future so that we can ultimately have the best harvest. It's important to be careful with who you surround yourself by and who you speak to, because some people can be discouraging around things that ultimately bring you a lot of joy. And so it's key to consider who you surround yourself with and who is encouraging. And you may feel some encouraging energy from your friends and family that just come in and remind you that things may be hard, but keep going, because we see you making headway in where you're going to in life. I have had the fortune of having some people reach out to me and tell me that without me inquiring, and it's really good for the heart, to have those people in our lives. And I am sipping on some Hawthorn tea, which is also something good for the heart and good for the nervous system. And if you have not had Hawthorn Berry Decoction tea, I highly recommend it. I send you a good wish today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Keep in mind that where we put our thoughts is really important, and where we're focusing our attention is really important in the coming weeks, and taking care of ourselves is key. I send you so much love.